potentials and concepts. Before I start, I would like to say that the year 2025 is the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. So, before we talk about the potentials, what are the potentials, what are the concerns of the quantum technology? We will have to understand what is quantum. What is quantum? So, quantum is the smallest and smallest thing ever seen. And the quantum age is a technological era driven by the principle of quantum mechanics, and where the technology is to solve problems as fast as a light. So, this revolution could lead to faster drug discovery, personalized medicines, and faster problem solving, and various potentials are there. But it is not completely safe. However, it brings also challenges such as high cost potential security risk and the need for the resources and global cooperation. The quantum mechanics handles intelligent superposition and uncertainty of quantum technology, and quantum computing will lead to new possibilities such as fast problem solving, cryptography, and climate modeling for the Indian meteorological departments. So, what are the potentials of the quantum technology? So, potentials. There are two sides of the coin: potential and concern. So, what are the potentials of quantum technology? The first potential is AI and big data. So, quantum technology will help us to build better AI. It can store big data securely and safely. So, then it is communication. So, communication, if the technology comes, communication will be faster and more secure. With the quantum technology, it has done. So, faster and secure communication systems are there in quantum cryptography. We see in WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted. So, the cryptography is there to design new encrypted programs replacing old ones. And in the healthcare department, some drugs are not discovered today. Some drugs are to be discovered, and these drugs will be found out by the potentials of the quantum technology. And computation power is better than the classical computers which are present today. So it will solve problems faster than the classical computers. So now, second side of the coin. What are the concerns and challenges of the quantum technology? The first challenge is the technical issue. The quantum technology comes with an error. We have to correct it. We have to do error correction. So we have to do program stable. The quantum technology program is not stable yet. So then hardware and software development. The hardware and software is not developed yet. In 2025, the hardware and software is not developed, and if we have to develop it, we have to purchase various machines which are high cost, which will lead to economical crisis, economical challenges such as capital expense, cost expense, and the price tag will be higher than the normal price tag. So then we have ethical and social concern. What is ethical and social concern? Our privacy is invaded. Our data is going to the technology, the quantum technology server. So then we have cyber security risks such as hacking, deepfake, scam calling, their job displacement. AI will displace our job. We will become lazy. Then we have the concerns of AI. I told that deepfakes, scam calling, hacking, etc. Then knowledge gap is there. Then the knowledge gap is there. Knowledge gap is what? The knowledge gap presently in the quantum technology. We are not aware of the quantum technology. Then we have regulation and governance. Regulation and governance, in regulation governance, national security is there. If we develop a technology, the national security is there, we will have to form new laws, and we have to do law framework for anything. So then we have environmental concerns like e-waste generated from the energy consumption, and the pollution and harmful substances are there. Any technology not comes with a potential fit. Any technology is not potentially fit, not perfectly fit. So we have to do research in it. We have to give our best to the technology to develop it. So these are the two sides of the coin I told: potential and the challenges of quantum technology. Quantum technology is not behind. It is the future. It is not presenting today. We have to develop our machines. We have to purchase the machines. So GDP per capita of India will decrease. So what are the roads leading? The roads leading ahead in the future, like 2070, like 2050,
AI is? AI means artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, there is a need of huge amount of data, and also there is need of faster computing skills. You can use quantum technology because it has high data storage, and also it has faster calculation than a normal computer. So that's why we can use it to enhance the AI more, so that AI can be used in the later field. And also the next one is in the secure data transmission. Nowadays in this year, in this age, in this century, there is a need of secure data transmission and network, because many hackers can hack our privacy and can cause a lot of problems in our society. So that's why we can use quantum technologies to create a secure data link using quantum key distribution technology. This secure data link is encrypted and it cannot be hacked very easily. And next is in the finance and logistics department. We can use the technology of the quantum field to analyze the market, to know about the stock market, to know how it works, and the optimization of the challenges of supply chain in logistics and the finance. And also we can use the quantum technology to increase the precision and speed of instruments used in research and development department in fields like space, military, etc. for precise measurement of quantities like gravitational waves, magnetic fields, etc. We can use all of this. And this can lead to dawn of a better future. But as there are potential, there are also challenges. Few of the major challenges are as follows. Quantum computers use qubits. Qubits are the bits used in a quantum computer which are the capability of superposition. They can exist in 0 and 1 and many states at the simultaneous time. So qubits are quite unstable. They can get destabilized due to the environmental. Good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Dakshin Santosh Kare from class 9 Vivekananda English School, Parkour. Today I am presenting a presentation on the topic Quantum Age Begins and what are its potential and its challenges. So this is the new age of the technology in which we are living in. This is the quantum age of the technology. So, but now let's see what exactly is quantum age. As we know that earlier we used to discuss about the digital age, but now this is the quantum age. The quantum age refers to the era in which the technologies is made by integrating the principles of quantum mechanics such as superposition, entanglement, quantum tunneling, etc. and using various quantum technologies like sensing, computing and quantum communications in order to create new technology. And so this quantum age marks the shift from the classical technology of data and information towards a more advanced and sophisticated technology which has the potential scope in the future in lot of fields like medicine, security, cyber security, data analysis, etc. So now, what are the potentials of the quantum age? There are a lot of potentials of the quantum age. A few of the major quantum potentials of the quantum age I am going to tell you. First is in the medical and pharmaceutical industry. As we know now that the medical industry is growing, people are suffering from various kinds of diseases. Such diseases whose cures still yet have not been discovered. So that's why we can use the quantum technology to analyze the cellular processes, to analyze the data of the patient, to analyze recent trends of an area locally, and then we can find out a way to improve healthcare. And also in the pharmaceutical industry, we can use the molecular structures. The quantum computer will make wrong calculations and it will lead to improper results. And this is the first challenge. The second challenge is hardware, and second challenge is quantum computers require specific conditions like near absolute zero temperatures. These temperatures are very tough to achieve in using the normal existing technology, and this is a big hurdle in the current quantum age. Next one is the hardware. In the hardware, there is a lot of need of high quality materials in a substantial amount, and also in the new technologies. So this can be very expensive, and thus the cost is a big factor in the advancement of quantum technologies in various developing and developed countries. And the next one next one challenges is that getting a skill gap among various people. Now, as we know that not many people are aware about the quantum technologies. Quantum technologies are new technology to all of us. So that's why many people don't have enough skills and knowledge to use these technologies and implement them. So that's why it is also a challenge in advancing the quantum technology. And last is the ethical and security risk. There is a risk of cyber security even today because though no technology has ever been achieved to stop a quantum computer from hacking. And so that's why this is also possesses a security risk and it can hamper the privacy of people. I'm going to explain a short about this. And there are many recent developments in the quantum world and there are many recent developments, so that's why. And we can continue to these developments in order to develop a brighter future for all